Only got one pan? No problem. This is a one-pan tomato and pasta dish. It is super yummy. And for this, you will need 1 onion, you'll need 1 stick of celery, carrot, spinach, a can of tomatoes, some water, 2 tablespoons of oil, salt, pepper, sugar, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, a large handful of spaghetti or fettuccine broken up, and some grated cheese, chopped parsley. Good to go. So you'll see here that I've got my onion and my celery and my carrot chopped up really nice and small, and I've just jerked it in the pan over here with some oil, and I've fried it off kind of on a low heat until it's kind of gone nice and clear and just cooked down really nicely. So once you've got that all cooked, next we will get our tin of tomatoes, pop it in. We'll also get our tomato paste, pop that in as well. Then we'll get a little pinch of sugar, some salt, and some pepper. Then, once you've taken your tin of tomatoes out and pop them in here, just fill the whole tin up back with water and then put a tin's worth of water into the pan. And then your spinach as well. So put that on like a medium heat, and while that water kind of warms up, we'll just give this a stir, and this will wilt the spinach. And we want a nice like watery kind of tomatoey base for our pasta. So after we've done that, next what we do is take a handful of spaghetti, break it up with your hands into little bits like this. That's what we want, about that size, and then we'll just chuck them in as well. So this is the beauty of this meal, because it's only got one pot. It's brilliant. There's no mess, it's just chopping, and you chuck it all in one pot here. So we'll leave that for about 10 minutes or so until the pasta cooks up and soaks up all the water. And then once that's all cooked, it will look like this. How delicious is that? Perfect pasta meal. So we'll move this all aside. Put some of this, serve it up in a wee bowl. Super nutritious and delicious. There we go. Have a little bit of grated parsley on top, a little bit of cheese. Good to go. How delicious. That's going to be so yummy. If you make this meal at home, be sure to upload a photo of your family enjoying it to the Fanimals Clubhouse. Remember, Food for Thought is in schools all over New Zealand, teaching Kiwi kids how to make sure that the food we eat gives us the best energy and vitamins for the whole whānau. And it's free, thanks to New World.